Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, taking this ordinary water spray gun, typically used for gardening, and turning it into a powerful, precise welding tool. I'm going to apply some WD-40 to the moving parts of the spray gun. This is crucial for loosening any stubborn components and ensuring smooth operation during our modifications, making disassembly much easier. A quick wipe with a cloth removes any excess lubricant and prepares a nozzle for disassembly. Now, let's carefully take this nozzle apart. I'll begin by unscrewing the brass head from the main body. It might be a bit tight, so gentle use of pliers can help, but usually it twists right off. After opening the main nozzle cover, I use a screwdriver to remove the small screw to access the internals. Then I'll carefully unscrew and separate the remaining brass components of the nozzle, laying out all the parts to prepare for our modifications. Finally, I'll unscrew the remaining brass fitting from the handle. We want to separate all these parts cleanly. With the components separated, it's time to modify our main brass tip. I'll secure this piece in a vise. I'll use an angle grinder to flatten its tip. After grinding, I'll switch to a drill and carefully create several small holes across this flattened area. These multiple openings are crucial because they will allow for concentrated heat distribution, which is key to the tool's new function. We're creating a multi-point heating surface rather than a single jet. Now, for the electrical heart of our project. I'm taking a length of red electrical wire and threading it through the hollow handle of the nozzle. This wire will serve as one of our main electrical pathways. It takes a bit of finesse to guide it through, ensuring it comes out the other end without kinks or damage. This internal routing keeps our tool sleek and professional looking, preventing external wires from getting in the way during use. It's time to connect the electrical wire to our brass components. I'll strip a small section of insulation from the wire's end, exposing the copper strands. This exposed wire is then securely attached to one of the brass pieces. A firm connection here is paramount for efficient electrical flow. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. To ensure safety and prevent short circuits, I'm wrapping the connection points with electrical tape. This insulation is a critical step, protecting the internal components and ensuring the tool is safe to handle once assembled. We want to contain all that electrical energy exactly where it needs to be. Now that the internal wiring is done, I'll start reassembling our nozzle. I carefully place the brass components back into position, making sure the red wire is perfectly aligned and not pinched. Then I'll screw the modified brass tip, with its new multi-hole design, firmly back onto the nozzle's body. I'll use a screwdriver to tighten any internal fasteners, ensuring everything is snug and secure. The hose nozzle is now visibly transformed, ready for the electrical connections that will bring it to life. Now, for the electrical connections. I'm taking a red crocodile clip and attaching it to the other end of the red wire extending from the spray gun's handle. This clip will connect to the positive terminal of our power source. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Next, I'm preparing our soldering tip. I take an old AA battery and carefully cut away its outer casing using pliers. The goal here is to extract the carbon rod from the center. After completely removing the shell, I will use a box cutter to cleanly remove the plastic layer on the battery. I carefully remove the metal positive terminal cap from the top of the battery, then pliers to gently pull out the carbon rod. To ensure maximum efficiency and conductivity for our tip, I'll clean the exposed top of the carbon rod thoroughly with paper. To make our carbon rod tip precise and effective, I'm securing it into a drill chuck. Then, using sandpaper pressed against the spinning tip, I'm refining it. This sharp point will help concentrate the heat, making our soldering more precise. Once sharpened, I clean the tip of the paper while it's still spinning to remove any residue. With the tip ready, I'm carefully inserting it into the modified nozzle of our spray gun. The carbon rod will be the actual heating element, concentrating the electrical energy at its tip. This integration is vital for the tool's effectiveness. I'm also preparing a blue wire with a black crocodile clip, which will serve as our negative connection. Now for the ultimate test of our primary tool, the modified hose nozzle. I have a 12-volt battery here. I'll connect blue crocodile clip to the negative terminal and the red crocodile clip to the positive terminal of the battery. This completes our circuit, and our tool is now live. Watch closely. When I touch the carbon rod to the ground terminal, which is the alligator clip, it lit up immediately, demonstrating the instant capability of the welding device. Watch what happens to the tip and the metal wire. See how the tip instantly heats up, then melting the thin wire? That's the concentrated energy in action. Let's try something a bit more challenging. I'm going to use our heated tool on 2 razor blades. Again, when I activate the spray gun, the tip glows red, and you can see it instantly heats up and melts to the metal of the razor blade with surprising ease. The power is truly impressive. And finally, let's test it on a screw. I will weld this small nut onto the bolt. When I touch the soldering tip to the nut, the tip heats up and it quickly turns a metal screw, glowing red, showing its ability to heat up various metal objects. This versatile tool, made from a simple water spray gun, proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things with everyday items. Our incredible multifunctional heating tool, all made from a basic water spray gun. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.